I'm Sharon and welcome to KG. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some spicy rosé pasta with gochujang, the Korean hot pepper paste. So we'll call it gochujang rosé pasta. And our plant-based ingredients are here. We're making one serving today. For the pasta, feel free to use whatever you have or whatever you prefer, but I'm using spaghetti noodles today. And for the oil, I'm using half the extra virgin olive oil and half the sunflower oil just to lower the smoke point. But feel free to use whatever you like, really, because we're going to use low heat today. And gochujang, of course, raw cashews, sliced garlic, halved cherry tomatoes or regular tomatoes, and Korean perilla leaves, gennip, finely sliced, nooch, the nutritional yeast, for some cheesy flavor, sea salt for boiling pasta noodles, salt and pepper to taste later. And that's it. Okay, we have a third cup of dried raw cashews here, and we just need to soak it for at least 4 hours or have it boiled for about 10 minutes to have it softened. So this is how it looks after it's soaked or boiled, and we're just gonna blend it. So in goes the softened cashews. This is what's gonna make the pasta sauce creamy. And we're gonna add 2/3 cup of water and blend it for about a minute or two until it's well blended. We're just gonna boil the pasta noodles, spaghetti noodles, with tablespoon of sea salt for about 7 minutes or until it's al dente. So heat up the pan over medium to medium low heat and add your oil. We're going to have this low heat the entire time. Add your garlic and saute for about a minute. And we can do this while the noodles are boiling. Add your onions. And your tomatoes. And saute for about a minute. And add your gochujang. We're going to saute this gochujang for about a minute. This step removes that dull taste of gochujang, if you know what I mean. And it deepens the taste, actually. And now we're ready to add the blended cashews. And nutritional yeast. Let it just come to a simmer. We now have a very nice rosé color. We can add the pasta. Mix, mix. And we're also going to add about a 1/3 cup of pasta water. And let it cook for just about a minute. And that's essentially it. You can add like mushrooms and other vegetables if you like. This is just a very simple version. We're going to add gennip, the Korean perilla leaves, later as a garnishing, but I would say that's a must. Gennip really makes a huge difference to this dish. So you could have a taste and see if it's salty enough. The pasta water was salted, so it could be just good enough. This is actually perfect for me, so I'm just gonna add black pepper and that's it. So this is it. I know that Korean perilla leaves 깻잎 is not available for everyone, but if you can get some, I highly recommend adding it. It's a game changer. Its aroma goes so well with the gochujang rosé sauce. And what you see here is about 5 leaves finely chopped, most of it hidden underneath. But if you don't have it, don't worry. You could replace it with Japanese perilla leaves called shiso or just fresh basil. This is such a delicious way to have your rosé pasta with a bit of Korean twist. This was also introduced in my online cooking class and received such a great response. So I hope you get to try this at home. So this is gochujang rosé pasta. I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye for now.